Well, good Monday morning, everyone. Welcome to AMHQ Early. I'm meteorologist Jaqui Jeras. 7 days, count it, 1 week from today until Christmas, and we have potentially 2 different snowstorms to be tracking. But it won't just be snow slowing you down on the commute across the country. Tell that's Atlanta, isn't it? Because we've got a foggy start here this morning. In fact, fog is a big deal all along the Gulf Coast states from New Orleans over towards Mobile, as well as into Pensacola and up towards the Atlanta metro area. So here you can see on our radar, we've got the showers and thunderstorms across parts of Louisiana right now, bringing some heavy downpours. This is encroaching in along the I-10 corridor. And yes, New Orleans, this is moving in your direction. So if you can get out the door really quickly and avoid the heavier downpours, the better off you're going to be. So we have a stationary boundary here across parts of the south, and our winds are blowing in from that southerly direction as well. And that's helping to pull the moisture up. And it's really evident if it's not raining at your house, you're probably feeling that higher humidity, or you're seeing the fog, which is all a result of this. Little waves of low pressure are going to be riding along that front, bringing rounds of showers and thunderstorms. So it's going to be a really active weather pattern the next couple of days. Plan on seeing showers through a good part of the week, especially through the middle of the week. And I think tomorrow probably the worst day. Here's the timing of all of it. This will be moving eastward, heading towards Mobile and Pensacola, over towards Tallahassee as we head through the mid to late morning hours. And notice kind of how it stays hugged towards the Gulf Coast and the coastal states throughout the morning for today. So your rain will be a little less likely in Atlanta and Birmingham through the morning hours. And we'll see another round of rain come in here with a stronger disturbance by tomorrow. So I think tomorrow will probably be the day with the heaviest, most widespread rain across the region. Look at the rainfall totals, especially across the Arklatex region. You could see as much as 3 to 5 inches of rainfall between now and the middle of the week. And there you can see over towards Texarkana, maybe about 3 inches of rainfall here. Down towards Shreveport, your chances of rainfall will be more like the 2-inch range. Well, for many people, although some of you already are on your holiday break, aren't you? Hopefully you'll have good travels and a happy and safe week. Across the country today, the biggest problems are going to be down here across the Gulf Coast states. That's where we're going to see the active wet weather and potential delays, as well as some wet weather along the I-10 corridor. Showers and thunderstorms will be more likely on Tuesday, and a few of those could be strong, possibly severe. So a heads up for you into Dallas. We're tracking our storm system across the Pacific Northwest, bring some good snow Tuesday night into Wednesday across the Intermountain West. This will be making its way towards the northern Rockies as we head into your Thursday as well. Notice that the snow will be widespread then in places like South Dakota, across the Twin Cities into northern parts of Wisconsin. Snowmobilers are happy about this one. Just rain across the Ohio River Valley on your Friday, stretching down towards the lower Mississippi River Valley. The I-95 corridor looking okay on your Friday, but Saturday, not a good travel day, but we don't expect a lot of snow with this one. This is going to be more rain than anything else. Then the cold air filters back in on the backside of this by your Sunday. Look at temperatures in the Midwest, sub-zero. Hartsville-Jackson resumed flights this morning, but if you want to get on a plane, TSA says you're going to have to reprint your ticket if it's dated December 17th. The backlog of passengers means that you could have some long delays today. So keep that in mind this morning if you have travel plans, not necessarily to Atlanta, but other parts of the country sometimes get affected by these other delays. So here's where we're expecting some weather-related issues. This morning, Atlanta does have that fog, so that could be an issue. Houston, showers and thunderstorms could be creating some moderate delays here. Detroit, you got a little bit of rain as well. In New York City, I think any of those delays will be more likely. I hope you weren't caught up in there, and hopefully they can catch up today. It's 29 past the hour as AMHQ Early charges on, and thankfully the power is back on now at the airport. But storms and fog this morning are going to cause some problems across the south, and even some snow in other parts of the country. Definitely not going to help things get back on track any sooner this morning. So fog is going to be a big problem across the Gulf Coast states and into the deep south, as well as the showers and thunderstorms. So here's the big focus of that. I know a lot of you got wet yesterday. Today, here comes in another round. So showers and thunderstorms encroaching in along the I-10 corridor, just shy of New Orleans right now. You have the fog this morning, and the rain's going to be moving in here very shortly. So try and sneak out the door if you can before we hear that thunder and lightning. So we've got a stalled stationary boundary here, kind of parked in place across parts of the south, with a southerly flow pulling that moisture in. If you're not getting the rain, you're feeling the humidity, or you're seeing it in terms of the fog, and these disturbances or waves of low pressure are going to be riding along along that front through the middle of the week, and that's why we're going to continue to see rounds of showers and thunderstorms. So it's not going to rain every minute all day long, but keep the umbrella handy because you do have a good chance of getting wet, especially right along the Gulf Coast. And notice by the middle of the morning, this moves into the panhandle of Florida, into southern parts of Georgia, and kind of clipping over towards Savannah and into the Charleston area. Atlanta, a lot of the rain's going to stay down towards your south today, but you'll get in on the action again tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow's disturbance a little stronger than today, and we do have a slight chance that a few storms could be severe, as well as bringing those heavy downpours.